Hi there, Mr. Muhammed is here. We're going to solve this question here. It's about finding the distance between a point and a line. Make sure when you are watching my videos, write notes, prepare a paper, write notes. Do not only watch, because math you cannot understand well enough if you are just watching. You need to take notes. Okay, to find the distance between a point and a line, we have a formula that we need to follow. This is the formula. D is equal to the absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus c over square root of a squared plus b squared. We're going to analyze what are a, b, and c stand for, and what are x1 and y1. Through the first question, always there is a given point that we want to find the distance between the point and the line. The first entry in the order pair is x1 and the second entry is y1, and always from the equation a capital is the number before x, the coefficient of x, and b capital is the number before y, the coefficient of y, and c is a constant alone, but it must be on this side. Here this 10 is not representing c unless it go to the other side. Let's rewrite the equation and see what is the value of c. 4x plus 3y. This 10 is positive, it goes to the other side, minus 10 equals 0. Because in the general form, we have the equation of line equals 0. Now, this negative 10 is c, but this 10 is not c. c is negative 10. Make sure don't consider this number on this side of the equation by c, because c is on the other side. Let's start. We're going to substitute the value of x1, y1, a, b, and c in this formula. So d equals, down we have a squared plus b squared. A is 4, so 4 squared, plus b is 3 squared, and in the top we have absolute value. A is 4 times x1 is 0, plus b is 3, y1 is 0, plus c is negative 10. Close the absolute value, extend. Now let's simplify this, because we have only numbers. With calculator it will be one step. Even without calculator, it's not a hard process. First, it will be 0. It will be 0. Only negative 10 left in the top, and negative 10 in the absolute value will be just 10. Down, 4 square is equal to 16, plus 9 square, this is 16, plus 3 square is 9, not 9 square, it's equal to 25. And the square root of 25, because these two numbers are under square root, so this is also under square root. The square root of 25 is just 5. Now 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So this point is 2 units far from this line. This point is 2 units far from this line. Now let's do the other one. You must memorize the formula, then everything else is just calculation. x1 here we have is negative 2. So for question 55, distance is equal to a, nothing in front of x means 1, positive 1, 1. x1 is negative 2, plus b is negative 1, so this plus gonna be minus. b is -1, that's why this plus became minus. y1 is 1, -1 times 1 is -1. Done. Plus c is -2. In the absolute value, and down we have the square root of a capital is 1, 1 square is still 1, plus b capital is -1, but -1, it will be 1. Okay, now next, what do we have here? -1 times -2 gonna be -2 minus 1 minus 2. 1 times -2 is 2 inside absolute value. 1 square is still 1, plus -1 square is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, under the square root. The square root of 2. Then it's equal to -2 minus 1 gonna be -3, minus 2, it will be -5. In the absolute value, it will be 5 over the square root of 2. So this is the distance between this point and this equation of line. The distance between this point and this line is 5 over the square root of 2. If you leave your answer like this is okay. Otherwise, you can use calculator to write the distance in decimals. 5 divided by the square root of 2 equal to 3.53. That's it. Thanks for watching.